Fizzling out. Understanding a common English idiom. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, fizzle out. This idiom is commonly used in both casual and formal conversations, and understanding it can really enhance your English communication skills. Let's explore what it means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Fizzle out is an idiomatic expression in English. To fizzle out means to gradually end or lose strength, often in a way that is disappointing or lacks climax. Imagine a soda losing its carbonation slowly. It starts out fizzy and lively, but over time, it goes flat. This imagery is a great way to understand how something can fizzle out. It loses its energy or momentum, just like the soda. The term fizzle dates back to the 16th century, originally referring to the sound of a wet firework. A firework that fizzles doesn't go off with a bang. It quietly hisses and then goes out. This concept evolved over time, and by the 19th century, fizzle out began to be used in the way we understand it today. Let's see how fizzle out can be used in different contexts. 1. In relationships. After a few months of dating, their romance just fizzled out. 2. In business. The initial enthusiasm for the project fizzled out due to lack of funding. 3. In events or activities. The party started lively, but it fizzled out by midnight. These examples show that fizzle out can be applied to various situations where something ends not with a dramatic stop but rather by gradually losing momentum or interest. Understanding synonyms can help you better grasp the meaning of fizzle out. Some synonyms include peter out, die down, taper off, wane. These phrases can often be used interchangeably with fizzle out, though they might carry slight differences in connotations. We hope this video has helped you understand the idiom fizzle out. It's a phrase that paints a vivid picture of something ending, not with a bang, but with a whimper. Try using it in your conversations to add some flair to your English. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing your English with us.